Hi everybody, it's Kevin Pryfogle here from the Paul Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram pickup truck in beautiful Piqua, Ohio. Today we have featured a 2016 Chrysler Town and Country that is certified pre-owned. It's stock number CP15645T. It's featured in black onyx crystal pearl coat. The interior color is called dark frost beige. This is a one-owner vehicle. This also has GPS navigation. It also has keyless and go. All you have to do is have the little box, which the key is, in your possession, your pocket or purse, and just grab the door handle. It unlocks for you, or locks. Power doors, of course. This also has the rear DVD entertainment system. Also has the power sunroof. This also has heated seats on the driver and passenger's side. It also has a heated steering wheel. It also features heated second row seats. These are all stow and go seating, so you can stow all the rear seats into the floor. It also has the power heated mirrors, the push button ignition. Apologize for how dirty the cars are. We've had some spit rains here recently, and as you can imagine, it's hard to keep your own car clean, let alone trying to keep 300 clean. This is your power quarter vent window switch. Of course, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power seat. Here's all your Bluetooth controls, your cruise control. Again, this has the heated seats, heated steering wheel, heated second row seats. The power moonroof up top here. Oh, desk covers opened up. Very nice, very clean van. If you've got some people, some kids to move around, or you just got a vacation or something coming up soon, this will make you a very nice van. This is a Touring L Anniversary Edition of the 2016 Chrysler Town & Country. Again, this is a 2016 Chrysler Town & Country Touring L Anniversary Edition. This is stock number CP15645T, featured in black onyx crystal pearl coat. If you have any questions on this beautiful van or any beautiful vehicle you've seen on the internet or on our lot, please do not hesitate to give us a call at 1-800-678-4188. Again, my name is Kevin Pryfogle from the Paul Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram pickup truck in beautiful Piqua, Ohio. As always, thanks for giving us an opportunity, and have a beautiful day.